highly profitable dry cleaning business, Toongabbie, New South Wales. This is an unmissable opportunity to walk into a very profitable business and start earning from day one. Trendsetter Dry Cleaners offers multiple income streams, from dry cleaning, laundry services, alterations and repairs. With a net profit of $300,000, the business comes with all equipment, valued at around $1 million. This excellent business enjoys a prominent Main Street location, next to the shopping centre. The business is operated by a husband and wife team, with one casual worker plus a part-time worker. The premises are quite spacious, with an additional 5 by 10 metre backyard which includes a car parking space. Located 30 kilometres from the CBD, Toongabbie is one of Sydney's oldest suburbs and highly rated for its safe, friendly community. Toongabbie offers excellent services, transport, schools and childcare options, with plenty of cosy cafes and coffee shops. A popular commuter suburb, Toongabbie's population is expected to increase substantially over the next decade. With the owners providing training and assistance for a smooth handover, this business is too good to miss.